Two tech meme cards on July 3 suggest Meta is recasting AI compute as a platform business, not just add horsepower. Tonight's briefing covers AI infrastructure shifts, local model choices, protocol level debugging, database memory stability. Meta is moving AI beyond an ad-only model. On July 3, tech meme entries describe Meta using compute for its own models, for ad scaling, and for the same coverage says a path with Anthropic is plausible, which makes this look like a wider AI infrastructure pivot. If your stack relies on one model provider, policy or pricing moves can break features fast. So add a provider abstraction and a CI smoke test that can swap it. The real game is no longer model ownership alone. Whoever controls infrastructure terms is starting to control product leverage. A top hacker news submission around James Webb local LLM pulled 223 upvotes and 103 comments, and the takeaway is practical. The thread frames it as a way to run SOTA models on your own infrastructure instead of only through cloud APIs. Local inference directly changes latency. Benchmark your current prompt and tool calling flow locally first. Then compare results against cloud behavior before you lock your standard. If you are serious about reliability, local inference is not a side project. It is a production fallback strategy in one bad API month. PostgreSQL teams are reevaluating strict memory overcommit, and the linked HN discussion landed 139 upvotes with the core issue is Linux OOM killer behavior, where host memory policy can destabilize PostgreSQL even when if traffic is variable or model workloads, add spikes, audit VM, overcommit memory, and run controlled load tests before changing production to treat memory policy as part of architecture, not ops trivia, because the next outage may come from the host, not the query. Show HN introduced Mcpsnoop as a Wireshark-style transparent proxy plus TUI for live MCP traffic inspection. It has 40 upvotes and 13 comments, which is lower volume than some hype posts but still signals a concrete pain point among MCP builders. Normal app logs often miss transport issues, and teams lose hours tracing silent protocol failures. Add it as a staging proxy and capture a if MCP is new in your stack. This is the difference between shipping fast and burning cycles on invisible protocol bugs. PamStealer is described as a stealth-first macOS malware family in a new Ars Technica report, and the delivery chain is staged. The attack begins with a disk image disguised as the Maxi clipboard manager, then launches an Apple script that hides logic inside script editor. Users can be prompted to press Command-R, triggering execution of an internal JXA downloader that uses native Objective-C, APIs, and for teams shipping Mac tooling, QA, and release gates now need stronger launch TL, persistence, and binary hygiene checks. Mac security is now a developer workflow issue too, because the build and install path is where trust is won or stolen. Follow and subscribe for the next edition, and the links in the description.